All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on cryptocurrency every day. My name's Austin. I want to share with you a big update on Decentraland, a big update on Vechain, as well as some updates on lower cap altcoins you should know. But first, we gotta start with the biggest news of the week if you hold Bitcoin and if you hold Ethereum. So like always, check the timestamps down below in the video description, and let's jump in. Visa has just completed the first cryptocurrency transaction on Ethereum. So this is major adoption news for ETH from one of the biggest financial juggernauts in the world. And they completed their first transaction through Ethereum-based stablecoin USDC. Breaking. Visa has become the first major payment network to incorporate a digital dollar, USDC, into their network and settle transactions in the new system rather than the old banking system. Eventually, every payment network will do this. Okay, let's break down exactly what this means to you as an Ethereum holder, because it is interesting to note that Visa chose an Ethereum-based stablecoin, not a Tezos, not a Stellar or an XRP, not Polkadot, not Cardano. They chose Ethereum. Visa just announced they're using Ethereum as a settlement layer. Ethereum. Visa will be paying ETH holders to use the network. LOL, this is so bullish for ETH, and this market is still too dumb to understand it. ETH under $2,000 is hilarious. And this is true in a sense. ETH, the token, does act as gas for the network. So the more activity, the more people on the network, they will have to be buying and hodling ETH token, the gas. Fundamental news like this should tell you something. ETH will not stay below 2K forever. Give me your thoughts as an Ethereum holder down below in the comment section. But to finish this off, let's quickly go over what this really means, Visa's integration with USDC. Because with USDC being the fastest growing digital dollar / stablecoin currency in the world, connecting its use to existing global networks like Visa will accelerate its adoption even further. But what does this really mean? Well, a customer who has USDC in their wallet and then a card attached to their wallet, there are now dozens of these, can spend their USDC at any Visa accepting merchant. And the USDC is used to settle the transaction with Visa instead of the legacy banking system. And this is a huge game changer for merchants, because for Visa merchants, this means they're going to get the money as fast as a blockchain moves funds, which is way faster than the traditional legacy systems, without reversal risks, so there's no clawbacks, and without the time delays and costs of SWIFT, ACH, etc. This is huge. If you want the proof, this channel always likes to show you the proof. Here is the sample settlement file with our digital currency capabilities. So this is the first USDC transaction sent to an Ethereum address on the Visa network. Now Visa already moves billions of dollars across over 200 markets in 160 currencies. And let's follow back up on this and see if merchants choose to transact on Ethereum. Good stuff. Let's keep moving. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin will overtake both Google and Amazon by market cap once it hits around $83,000. Again, this is by market cap. You can see Bitcoin, the network, is already more valuable than Facebook and Tencent. Google and Amazon, we're coming for you. And even though we're sort of consolidating now, the Bitcoin price, the fundamental metrics are looking bullish. Bitcoin's mining hash rate just hit a new all-time high. So the miners aren't bearish, they're trying to accumulate as much as they can. And as famed Bitcoiner Max Kaiser once pointed out, price usually tends to follow hash rate. And still speaking about Bitcoin and potential price triggers, next piece of news, stablecoin reserves on crypto exchanges have hit a new historic high of over $10 billion. So check this out. According to market data provider CryptoQuant, cryptocurrency exchanges are now holding nearly 16% of the total market value of all stablecoins, with stablecoin market capitalization amounting to $63 billion at the time of writing. And usually when we see strong inflows of stablecoins into exchanges, that usually means that the money is prepping to flow into Bitcoin or other top altcoins. Stablecoin inflows are often seen as a short-term indicator of bullish action for Bitcoin, suggesting that sidelined capital is moving back into BTC. We can see right here, the red represents stablecoin reserves on all exchanges, the black represents Bitcoin's price. And historically, when we've seen large inflows of new stablecoins on exchanges, the money then flowed into Bitcoin. And what have we just seen? The price kind of consolidating, large inflow into stablecoins. In a direct quote from CryptoQuant CEO, stablecoin holdings across all exchanges could indicate potential buying power. Since last year, the stablecoin market was mostly dominated by Tether, but now the market is evenly shared with other stablecoins like USDC, BUSD, I think that's Binance's, HUSD, that's Huobi's, and etc. This stablecoin holdings surge came from the rise of USDC, which might indicate more US investors coming into this industry. Interesting. Let's keep tabs on this. As I get more information, I will make a video. I will keep you updated. All right, let's get to the recent altcoin news. But first, let's talk about crypto IRAs. For those of you looking for a quality crypto IRA, basically if you want to trade cryptocurrency tax-free, I want to take 60 seconds and give you a recommendation. I like iTrustCapital. They are a partner of the channel, but I also personally use them. So with iTrust, you can not only buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency tax-free, but also precious metals in your IRA as well. So you can trade 24/7, there's no hidden fees, everything is very transparent. And the thing I like is they have institutional custody, they are insured, they're backed, so your digital assets are secured. I will link my full video breakdown on how to realize gains and trade tax-free, linked down below. And be sure to use the promo code altcoin in all caps or click the link down below to get your first month free. Like I said, I use them and they just added Polkadot as well as Chainlink with Cardano soon to come, along with a vast array of the top cryptos. Check it out, link down below. All right, next piece of very quick news involving Decentraland. Pretty cool event happening in Decentraland right now. And at first glance, yeah, it doesn't look that cool. But I think this is maybe a music production session about to happen. And it is cool to see what people are building in this decentralized virtual world. Check this out. So many cool new buildings being added every day. Pretty sure this wasn't here that long ago. Keep them coming, builders/creators. Here is some building. Looks like an evil museum or dolphin gallery. Let me know your thoughts on Decentraland down below. And for any builders/creators watching now, if you want to put a little Altcoin Daily, just small reference on some building, let me know. Tag me on Twitter. That'd be cool. Next piece of news involving Vechain. Vechain was just referenced in an academic paper as a developer of blockchain platform built to monitor vaccine production in China. So academics are citing Vechain as a potential solution to roll out vaccines in and around China. The notable reference as seen as confirmation that the Vechain traceability project on Vechain is still active. Here is the exact tweet that uncovered it. Vechain was mentioned in an academic paper titled COVID Reader using IOTA and QR code technology to control epidemic diseases across the US. Here is the exact paper that references, IOTA and Vechain, and it's from the University of Nevada in Las Vegas. Pretty cool. If you hold Vechain, it's just interesting to see academics in universities pick up this technology saying hey, there could be a solution here, guys. This could add transparency to any supply chain. Next piece of lower cap altcoin news, Injective Protocol. We are thrilled to announce the public release of Equinox staking. This is a landmark milestone for Injective. And starting today, anyone can delegate to top-tier validators in order to join the staking competition and earn rewards, obviously if you stake. The more people stake, the more hopefully decentralized and the stronger the network becomes. So it's cool to see Injective release this. I do own a little bit of Injective, and just as a reminder, Injective protocol is the first layer 2 decentralized exchange protocol that unlocks the full potential of decentralized derivatives and borderless DeFi. So it enables fully decentralized trading without any restrictions. Interesting. Give me your thoughts down below. We'll have to keep tabs and see how many people choose to stake. I'll keep you updated. That is the video. My name's Austin. See you tomorrow. Oh, and be prepared for a few interviews dropping this week. Extra content. We talked to some notable people in the space. You'll like it.